We are on the Real Programming channel. My name is Andrei. This is our 24th lesson. I greet you. We will talk about linking to a new window. Let's go. We have a new requirement from the Starbuzz CEO. There are always new requirements for web sites. What he wants is this. When you click on the Coffee and Buzz link in the Starbuzz Coffee page, the Starbuzz Coffee page shouldn't go away. Instead, a whole new window should open up with the Coffee and Buzz page in it, like this. Here is the main Starbuzz Coffee page. When the Coffee and Buzz window pops open, it will open over the top of the Starbuzz page, but the Starbuzz page will still be there. What the SEO wants is a whole new window to open when you click on the Coffee and Buzz link. Opening a new window using target. To open a page in a new window, you need to tell the browser the name of the window in which to open it. If you don't tell the browser a specific window to use, the browser just opens the page in the same window. You can tell the browser to use a different window by adding a target attribute to the element. The value of the target attribute tells the browser the target window for the page. If you use /blank for the target, the browser will always open a new window to display the page. Let's take a closer look. The target attribute tells the browser where to open the web page that is at the link in the grep attribute. If there is no target, then the browser opens the link in the same window. If the target is _blank, then the browser opens the link in a new window. Exercise. Open your Starbuzz index HTML file, add the target attribute to the A tag that links to the Coffee and Buzz page. Now give it a try. Did you get a new window? Brain power. Can you think of some advantages and some disadvantages to using the target attribute to open a page in a new window? There are no dumb questions. I'm getting a new tab instead of the new window. Am I doing something wrong? No, you are not. Most browsers have a default setting to open a new window in a tab rather than a whole new browser window, because that's what users seem to prefer. But a new tab in a new window are really the same thing. It's just that the tab shares their same window border as your original window. If you want to force a whole new window, most browsers have a way to do this through the preferences settings. What if I have more than one A element with a target? If there is already a _blank new window open, will it open in the window that's already open? Or will it open in a new _blank window? If you give the name _blank to the targets in all your A elements, then each link will open in a new blank window. However, this is a good question because it brings up an important point. You don't actually have to name your target _blank. If you give it another name, say coffee, then all links with the target name coffee will open in the same window. The reason is that when you give your target a specific name, like coffee, you are really naming the new window that will be used to display the page at the link. _blank is a special case that tells the browser to always use the new window. And HTML crossword. Here are some mind benders for your left brain. Bullet points. Typically, the best way to get on the web is to find a hosting company to host your web pages. A domain name is a unique name, like Amazon.com or StarbuzzCoffee.com, that is used to identify a site. A hosting company can create one or more web servers in your domain. Servers are often named FTP. The File Transfer Protocol FTP is a common means of transferring your web pages and content to a server. FTP applications like Fetch or for Mac or WC_FTP for Windows can make using FTP easier by providing a graphical user interface. A URL is a uniform resource locator or web address that can be used to identify any resource on the web. A typical URL consists of a protocol, a website name, and an absolute path to the resource. HTTP is request and response protocol used to transfer web pages between a web server and your browser. The file protocol is used by the browser to read pages from your computer. An absolute path is a path from the root folder to a file. Index.html and default.htm are examples of default pages. If you specify a directory without a file name, the web server will look for a default page to return to the browser. You can use relative paths of or URLs in your elements ref attribute to link to other web pages. For other pages in your site, it's best to use relative paths and use URLs for external links. Use the ID attribute to create a destination in a page. Use the hash followed by destination ID to link that location in a page. To help usability, use the title attribute to provide a description of the link in an element. Use the target attribute to open a link in another browser window. Don't forget that the attribute can be problematic for users on a variety of devices and alternative browsers. Wait, before you go, we need our logo on the web page. Hello, I guess you already gone on to chapter 5. Next solution. You waited long enough, it's time to give your new URL a spin. Before you do, fill in the blank below and type in the URL like you haven't already. If you're having any problems, it is the time to work with your hosting company to get things sorted out. If you haven't just set up in a hosting company, fill in the blanks for www, starbuzzcoffee.com and type the URL into your browser anyway. Your website name here. Hero needs little help with his URLs. And next exercise solution, add a title to the link to mission HTML with the text read more about Starbuzz Coffee's important mission. Notice that we didn't make the mission links label as concise as it should be. Shorten the link label to our mission. Here is a solution. Did you test your changes? Add a title attribute to the mission link. More the road read about outside the element. And so this is our 4 chapters end. Adding images to your pages, meet and the media. We'll talk about this in the next lesson. And this is our 24th lesson over. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like, share with friends, please. Comment. Eat bananas, chocolate and nuts. Drink more water for the effective work of our brains. Bye.